Looking for a natural way to nourish your skin without spending a fortune? In this video, we're sharing 5 simple yet powerful face packs you can make today using ingredients from your kitchen. 1. Honey and yogurt. Face pack for dry skin. This classic face pack is perfect for dry or flaky skin. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey with 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt. Apply it evenly on your face, leave it on for 15 minutes, and rinse with lukewarm water. Honey hydrates, while yogurt soothes and gently exfoliates the skin. 2. Banana and oats. Face pack for dull skin. If your skin feels dull or tired, try this energy-boosting mask. Mash half a ripe banana and add 1 tablespoon of ground oats. Apply it for 20 minutes. Banana moisturizes and brightens, while oats gently remove dead skin. Got irritated or sunburnt skin? This cooling face pack is your best friend. Blend 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel with 1 tablespoon of cucumber juice. Apply it and leave it for 15 minutes. This combo calms, heals, and refreshes your skin instantly. For acne-prone skin, or to get that natural glow, mix 1 tablespoon of gram flour with a pinch of turmeric and enough rose water to form a paste. Apply and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. Turmeric fights inflammation, while gram flour exfoliates and brightens. Rich in healthy fats, avocado deeply nourishes and reduces fine lines. Mash 1/4 avocado and mix it with 1 teaspoon of honey. Apply for 20 minutes. Your skin will feel buttery soft and rejuvenated. These DIY face packs are quick, natural, and truly effective. Add them to your weekly routine and let your skin thank you. Which one will you try first? Tell us in the comments.